Hi, COLT members. This is your COLT tip of the week. This week's tip is on how to create a Google Classroom banner or header in Canva. So the first thing you do is go to Canva. You search Canva using Google Classroom header. You come up with a number of choices, which you can steal directly, or you can edit in some way or create your own entirely. Once you select the one you like, I picked this one and I modified it a little, as you can see. Then you go to download. When you want to download, you pick the suggested. That's always the best idea. You hit download. Very quickly, it prepares your design. You have it down here below. You go to the classroom where you want to insert it. You upload a photo. You grab it from down here and drop it in, and voila. It is ready. So what you can do is adjust it so you have the perfect centering or the perfect picture for your preference. And then you select it, and there it goes. Mine is changing, and it's perfect. Anyway, hope this tip was helpful. Thank you for watching. This is Michelle Nicholas along with Robin Bertrand, co-chair of membership for CT COLT.